As the holidays are approaching, are you wondering how you can help a family in need? Well, today I'll be telling you about one of the most established charities in America, the Salvation Army. According to their website, salvationarmy.com, they helped over 23 million people last year alone. Although they get most of their attention in the holiday season, the famous Red Kettle, the Salvation Army has a multitude of programs that help families and individuals 365 days a year. Now that I have your attention, you may be wondering how you can help. You can donate straight through their website at salvationarmy.com. 82 cents of every dollar you donate goes to their help centers. As the holidays approach, you can also donate through the helpers who stand in front of stores with the famous red kettles, ringing the bell. I'm sure you've seen them before. Now you may be wondering, what exactly does the organization do? According to Fox News, the Salvation Army has 7,600 centers nationwide that provide a multitude of services. Last year alone, they helped 147,000 individuals with substance abuse. They also have thrift stores and crisis response teams such as the one that that was handing out water at Ground Zero during the 9/11 attacks. According to their website, they provided 10.8 million nights of shelter alone last year in the US. Why should you donate to this organization? Well, to be short, they have a strong set of core values. They want to give compassion and respect to everyone they help while being excellent in every service they offer. And in conclusion, this organization helps over 23 million people a year while being a nonprofit and needs your help to offer these services. If you feel inclined to help a family or individual in need, this is the charity to donate to.